our YouTube channel, DJ Barista Life, your go-to channel for everything about coffee, coffee seminars, barista training, and cafe culture. Today, I'm a very excited one because I'm taking you at the WAFEX 2025, the biggest and most awaited World Food Expo here in the Philippines. Whether you're a fellow barista, coffee lover, or a cafe business owner, this is a place to be. We're diving into the latest coffee trends, tasting incredible coffee, course, meeting, barista training. So grab your favorite cup of coffee and join me as we explore the World Food Expo and Espresso right here at the WAFEX 2025. So, let's go! Natin. Anong wala natin muna? Kiwi? Hi! Okay. One of the perks attending the WOFEX, you can try free coffee. Thank you, La Marzocco. Here. Ay, wow. Pang toppings. No. Sige, try natin. Kasi ay matcha ano kami. Meron kaming matcha. Dirty matcha, matcha, basta lahat ng matcha. Hi, Sir RG! Hello, hello. So, dapat bibili tayo ng beans dito. Diba? Wala na tayong beans ng age proper.
Welcome to the club.
Diba? Kailangan natin bumili ng beans dito para ano. Ito.
Yung mga average natin.
Average, okay.
Yung competition beans ko ng National Barista, yun ma'am.
Patry natin yan. Try natin yan. May box ulit yan. May box. Gusto ko naka-box. Maganda yung box.
Box.
Asan? Iconic? Oo. Ano pa? Ano pa? Ano pa?
Yan yung ginamit ko ng National Barista.
National Barista. To be honest, rich and fruity.
Meron siyang hint of vanilla, dark berries, raisins,
Medium roast.
medyo malayo sa system. Bago.
Uy, nanalo ka? Wow! Ah, talaga?
Oh, pudel.
Galing mo naman.
Ano si Jamie?
Nagagaling din kami doon. Sumama ka na sa amin kaya. Wala kang kasama. Thank you. Kinabahan. Invite kita pag may event kami ha. Sa pag-alista ha. Hindi kita. Actually, ito ko namin yung sa kabila. Sa Arla.
Demo lang.
Okay. Pero hindi nagbebenta. Okay. Demo lang pala. Arla, masarap yung ano,
Yung Barista Pro.
Barista Pro ng Arla. Ah, okay.
Ano sa kayo?
Okay naman. Ayan, dito pa rin kami.
Sa cafe.
Ganun pa rin. Naghahanap pa rin kami ng mga bagong supplier kasi nga, franchising kami, di ba? Sa franchising.
Kung gusto mo ng beans ako ma'am ngayon.
Anong beans?
Roasting.
Talagang may roasting machine na kami. Pero ilo-launch pa lang namin. Hindi pa namin nalolo.
Kayo ang magdi-distribute or
Hindi, actually for training din. Hindi talaga mag-roast for selling. For training ng roasting. Oh, tara, dito tayo. Okay.
Ito, celebrity.
Joke lang. So, ano ipapatikim mo sa amin ngayon?
Ito ma'am, black sugar latte.
Oh.
Gusto mo mas refreshing. Tea, iced tea, soda.
Super dami na namin nakape ngayong araw na to. Dapat iba naman.
mapahilo na. Mapahilo.
Oo, grabe. Simula pagpasok namin, nagkakape na kami. Puro specialty dun eh.
Brother. Mahigayat natin.
Nakaka-convince mag ano to.
Mahigayat sa presyo.
Oo. Magkano ba?
Alam mo na. Mula brother.
Ito.
Mura. Sige, bigyan niyo ako yan kasi may mga student ako nagtatayo ng cafe, hindi nila kaya simulan. Tapos gusto nila, medyo mura lang.
Ganito ma'am. Si Tashir, maganda yung margin niya. In
Oh.
terms of distribution. Kasi sa mga ibang brands, yes, may FOQ, may investment, tapos, di ba, meron ka certain limit na kailangan ma-reach. Kay Sir Julius, achievable yung limit niya, pero malaki yung margin.
Tsaka gusto ko yung bottle na ganito.
Ma'am, bunan din.
Di ba?
Bunan din.
Correct. Ayoko ng plastic.
Pero level mas okay.
Oh, yan. Anong pangalan nito?
Peach fruit tea. So it has peach, matitissere, and then sugar, and then green tea. Nice. Right.
Ano natin?
Just to ask yung mixer nyo, it's ready to blend na? Just add ice or
Ice,
it's
water.
gonna be a blended drink?
Kung blended drinks, milk
So, sinong kakausapin
water
namin?
based. Water based or milk.
Oh, dito na pala tayo makikipag-usap kay kay Master Julius. Kukunin ko na yung kayo may wala pala. Ang nice naman ito, oh. Ito, maganda, oh. Pwede ito pa. Oo nga, sandali. Pero ito, okay ito, oh. So, you're supplying ito? Frozen? Parang ganon? So, what? Kasi we have cafe eh. We have coffee shop. So, I see.
Can I get your contact?
Sure.
I can send you the price list.
How much ang per kilo? Roma, Venezia, Milano. How much ang per kilo pag ganyan?
It depends. Pero Roma is 50-50. 50 Arabica, 50 Robusta. 1,390.
1,390 pero it's blend na lang 50-50. So
Yeah.
ano yung Arabica niya? What kind of Arabica siya?
is this one, 100%, 1,790.
170. Hindi, I mean the 50-50. What kind of Robusta in Arabica siya?
From Italy.
I see.
You want to try
1,700.
ba the or shot?
Super dami ko na nakape. Sige. Pero anyway, same lang ba doon? Kasi kinuha nila yung contact ko eh. Same lang? Okay. Thank you. Coffee Central Easy Mitch. See? Hi, Mitch! Dito yung weighing scale na Timmy Moore. Ayun, oh. May weighing scale na rin.
Yeah, so it measures two weights. The weight that you inject the
Okay.
water and also the beverage yield.
So, both na naman.
Parang wala
ito.
ko na measure.
So, for demo purposes lang muna. For demo lang muna siya.
We have this available in
Ito po. Pwede ito add sa context natin. Yung ganito. Naka-promo na rin siya. So, ito na yung bago yung, ito na yung, wala na kayong mga ganon. Ito na yung bago yung weighing scale. Meron pa rin naman. Nang ganyan. Oo. Meron pa rin naman sila ng ganon. Kasi marami pa rin naghahanap sa amin eh. Marami pa rin naghahanap sa amin yan. Na students. This one also. Yan na lang sa'yo.
Dito na lang, ma'am. May matcha.
Guys, yung ginawa nating Cabernet Sauvignon, Chilean wine.
Yan, ma'am.
Here at Fly Ace, we have a variety of products. Hello, we even have Biscoff, we have pasta, we have, but we're making drinks. No? So, we're gonna make a drink out of whatever item you choose from the fridge. Pink guava! Wow, you really like pink guava. Okay, so, for pink guava is very interesting. We already opened one, I think. Yeah. So the pink guava is very nice on its own, right? As you can see, it's really pink. And it's, kung gagamitin natin sa cocktail, hindi siya clear, it's not easy to build a drink with, right? Here, you can taste this. You can taste how good it is. Alright. So what we do with the pink guava is we take the pink guava and we mix it with barista milk together. And then, because this is an acid, this is a milk, it would coagulate. And what we do is we filter out all the curds. Once we filter out the curds, we have clarified guava. So, clarified guava, a little bit of sparkling water. So you have sparkling guava juice that is clear. Yeah. So you can try both. Dyan first. Okay. So very sweet, right? This one balanced, a little bit creamy because it's made from milk. You should have, dapat na video natin, no? Okay, so you guys. All right, you like it? You're welcome. You get a free box of guava. Here you go. Thank you.
Promise, ang sakit na sa paa. Sabi ko, namimiss na kita.
Hindi naman.
Namimiss ko na yung alaga mo. Guys, ito yung mga pagod kalalakad.
25% battery.
Nakasalampak na. Alright, that's a wrap up for our amazing day here at WOFEX 2025. It's been such a blast reconnecting with familiar faces from the coffee community, fellow baristas, roasters, and even some of you who's been following the channel since day one. It's always been inspiring to see how passionate everyone still is about coffee. We got to try out incredible specialty coffee from local and international roasters. Some flavors I've never experienced before, from bright, juicy pour-overs to rich, bold espresso. It was a treat for the taste buds. And of course, we couldn't live without exploring few restaurant booths, from artisanal pastries to gourmet food pairings. It really completed the experience here at WOFEX 2025. They never got to disappoint us when it comes to food and drinks. If you enjoy this episode, please like and share our YouTube channel, DJ Barista Live. See us again next year.